What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. If you haven't seen my truck, it's wrapped, I guess you could call it. I wrapped the hood and then I wrapped the roof. And I have gotten some questions of how I did it and like what type of paper I use. So I wanted to answer those questions today, and then we're going to a photo shoot later with the friends. So I'll see you then. So this is my truck right now. It's wrapped. So the main question I was gonna answer was like, how did I do it? Like what wrapping paper did I use, or like how did I use what did I use to hold it down? And basically, I tried normal paper. You see, it's normal paper, but it gets too wet. As you can see, like on the top, it's wet. It gets too wet at night, so I had to go with like a plastic option. So what I ended up getting was tablecloth, $4 a piece. This covers like half of the hood. That's why you can see the stripe, the tape right there, because it could only cover half of the hood, unless you have a smaller hood. Also, we have Alan who's gonna wash his truck. Anyways, as I was saying before I got interrupted by Alan, he's over here washing his truck. Sorry you can hear the background sounds. Yeah, so I used tablecloth, $4. Like I said, it only covers half of the hood. Yeah, it's a like plastic film, like a plastic film. So I mean, it already got wet in the night, so it should hold up. Also, what I used to hold it down, just regular tape that I got from Target. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. The way I did it was, I did half of the hood first. I put half of the paper, and then I just taped it. Right where you see the stripe, I just taped it right there to hold it down, basically. And then I still have to fix a little, this over here in the bottom, but basically I went here and I just pulled it down, just put some tape. And then I recommend putting a bunch of tape, like everywhere, because then the air starts going in. So I would recommend just put a lot of tape, because you see like this is falling already. So as much tape as you can, so it won't, like, all the air won't go in and it won't fly off. So yeah, that's what I did with this side. And then as you can see, like, since this tablecloth, you get like this. So I mean, technically, I don't think it'll scratch your paint, so which is good. I like paper. And then for my roof, what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I gotta clean it, because when the paper flew off, the paper that I put on, it flew off, so it left like a lot of, like, it's like the paint, the wrapping paper. That should come off easy. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if it's gonna fill up the whole thing, but that's why I got two. So I'm just gonna do the same thing as a hood, and then so I will get it like on the edge. I'm gonna like tape it right here, and then probably I'm gonna clean it a little bit more so I can tape it even more down on this rubber piece. And then for the antenna, I tried doing that with the paper, but the antenna was like, there's like, you can't stick the tape to it, so that was kind of like a fail. So I'm just gonna wrap over it. If it rips, then I'll just stop, pull over, and then put tape. I don't know. And then I was gonna do the tailgate, but at the same time, I don't know, because it's kind of hard work. Oh, also for the lamp right there, I unscrewed it, and then I just put the paper inside, and then I screwed it back on and put tape on it. And as you can see, like, it still has some like of the paper left. So We're gonna do that. Oh, that's my Instagram if y'all wanna go. Follow. And then for finishing touches, I just did the nose and then the antlers. Yeah, that's what you call them, the antlers. But yeah, so maybe I'll do a time lapse on the roof so y'all can see me working, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll catch up with you when everyone that's gonna go to the shoot pull up. All right, so I'm barely getting started with the roof. I was trying to fix the hood, and just so y'all can see, I took off the tail lamp, or what do you call it, the lamp. Yeah, so you could just cut it right there. And I wanted to show you the tablecloth. See if I can get it out of here. I'm trying to show you the inside. See, it has like fuzzy stuff. So this is made for a table, but I mean, it's plastic and it works for my application, so I'm just gonna do that. And yeah, basically I'm just gonna put it on the roof and then tape it up, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah. I just finished pumping gas. We're on the way to the shoot. ¿Qué dice Alan?
Nada.
Está adentro. So I did my roof. Came out alright. I did the same thing. I just put it in here, and then kind of wiped it down. The Alan's truck. And Lil V taking pictures. Hit him up for any pictures. Got El Famoso Pumbo right here. Look, truck me back. I'll catch you later. Basically, I'm on my way. Just me to go pick up my homeboy. And then we're gonna meet him up at the place where we're gonna take pictures. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I think I might go take pictures with my other homeboy as a truck. But I don't know, we'll see. I gotta say hi to the vlog.
Got no way.
Huh? So we came to take pictures. We're with Pumbo. Let me say what's up. Not rap. Say something to the vlog.
What vlog, nigga?
The vlog.
What you putting me into?
Nah,
What's
say the
up,
vlog. I'll blur your face.
Nah. I'm cute, nigga.
Nah. That's not cool. We came to the fabrication yard. Right here in Dallas. And then maybe later I'm gonna pull up to with one of my homeboys to take some more pictures. Like with the Christmas lights and everything for my truck. This LV shoots.
I'm off for work. Yeah.
Let's see what they're doing over here. La troca de Alan. We do clean stuff over here. Diga what's up al vlog.
What's up? Go follow me overseas on Instagram.
Ya te puse.
Ah,
I put your trick on it.
just hit 3K. You already know what it is.
My boy famous. You good? ¿Sí la libra? Where? What's
Stop
up?
recording,
Hey,
bitch.
What's up? Hey, what's up? Nah. I'm gonna cut you out. I'm gonna blur your
Okay.
face.
Corte.
I'm dying, but we still out here. You already know. Gotta support my
boy
sponsor.
sick. My boy sick. Nah, we just out here. Later we're gonna go take pictures in like somewhere like with lights or something.
But yeah.
Go for Christmas.
You trying to go down to Fort Worth? Man?
Oh yeah, we could do for sure. All right, so, guys. So I just got home from the shoot. I mean, it's all right. It held on pretty good. That on top, that little bump, you see? That's the antenna. I don't know. I'm gonna fix it later. It's because the tape doesn't really stick to that plastic. But I mean, it looks pretty good. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for another video. Let me know what you want to see. I mean, I haven't really posted much because I don't know what kind of video I want to see or content. Just let me know. Comment in the comment section. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.